I'm John Cohen, and this is My Tech. You might remember OhSnap as the company that makes the grip that doesn't suck. And just like this grip that doesn't suck, they now make phone cases that don't suck either. Let's have a look. OhSnap has recently introduced cases for iPhone 15 and iPhone 16, and that doesn't matter if it's the iPhone Pro or iPhone regular, the Plus, the Max. They have cases for every one of those. But besides for just having new cases, they've also introduced the phone grips with color. So that means you can easily color match your case to your grip. And of course, like many cases on the market, there is a wide variety of colors. So you can choose the one that is perfect for your style and your taste. In this case, we have the electric teal, the cranberry smash, and the cognac brown. 3 beautiful colors, and there's a whole variety of different colors that you can choose from. So you can really make this as personal as you want. So let's take a look at this beautiful one in this teal blue. As you can see, the phone case is beautiful. It's got a protector for the camera, and in fact the protector for the camera can be changed. And when we look at the actual grip, you can see that it is matched perfectly. So you can easily color match the grip to the case, making it a perfect set. Once we have the case out of the package, you can notice right away that on the inside there is that magnet, that MagSafe technology, and it's easily shown on the back side so you know where to connect your OhSnap grip to it. Now, of course, you can use this without the grip. That's not a problem whatsoever. But if you want to color match it, you can easily color match it or mix and match. Pick a teal, pick a brown, whatever you want, and go with this cranberry color. It is totally up to you how you want to customize it. If you've previously bought the OhSnap, you can easily connect it to this new case, no problem. Just go ahead and line up the magnet, and just like that, it snaps into place. Super easy. Give it a little pressure so that sticker will stick, and within just a few moments, you are ready to go. The grip is ready to go, just pops out, and you're ready to use this phone. In portrait, landscape, makes no difference because the grip rotates. Also with the grip, you have the full magnetic connectivity, so that means you can use MagSafe no problem and charge your phone wirelessly, or just attach this to anything metallic. Very easy to do. One of the things I really like about these cases, it does give you the option for different camera covers. You can go with the traditional one, like this one here, or you can do one that fully covers the camera. Either one is perfectly good and will work fine and protects your camera, but I like this one a little bit more. It covers it a little bit more and matches up the color properly. When you're ready to change the camera cover, it's super easy to do. All it does is pops right out, so you just give a little bit of a bend to the case, and it pops right out. And when you're ready to put the new one in, very easy to do also. There's a little piece here on the bottom that you line up with the bottom of the case, and just like this, you'll go ahead and put it in, and it just locks right into place. Just like that, you have your other camera cover on the phone. Now you're ready to go ahead and install your phone into the case. It's super easy to do also. Just line up the top, put it into the case, and push down, and just like that, it's in the case. Very easy, no problems whatsoever. And there's a cutout right here for iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro that gives you full camera control. If you're in the market for an everyday case for your iPhone 15, iPhone 16, these OhSnap cases are wonderful. Thin, light, with good protection, especially in the camera area, and beautiful color range, so you can get something that's personalized to your style. And of course, when you pair the case with the OhSnap grip, you get a perfect combination of color matched items, or you can mix and match for your own style. Of course, you're not limited to buy the two together, but when they do go together, they just work much better. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.